Beware.
I think we've heard that a lot, the way you and I just repeated it just like that.
I always say no, though.
Yeah, so it is a common question, though. For people who don't say no, you don't see the fine print of what that credit card offers at the time when you're making that decision, right? So you want to be aware of the high interest rates on store-branded credit cards, because right now some are at record highs.
As you charge into the holidays, there is reason to think twice about those sweet sign-up discounts.
They often entice you, good upfront things, but sometimes that's not the best option.
Not if you carry a balance, especially on store-branded plastic. A creditcards.com survey found store credit cards are charging record high interest rates, an average of nearly 24%.
I've gotten hit with monstrous interest in the past, so I try to avoid it.
When Dan Calais bought this recliner, he passed on using the Big Lots credit card with its sky-high interest rate. Big Lots topped the survey, charging nearly 30% interest, followed by Zales and Staples. The lowest rates, Costco's Anywhere Visa card at 15.49% and Dillard's at 10.24%, but it can climb depending on your credit history. Financial advisor Kent Copeland says you better read the fine print.
Maybe they've got a regular rate of 15, but if you're late on a payment or miss a payment, all of a sudden it jumps to 27%.
And viewer Margarita Meza emailed me about her Macy's card statements, where she noticed the department is now applying two separate interest rates to her balance: 14.4% to purchases made in a certain time period and 22.9% to others. And Macy's applies the bulk of her payments to her most recent charges instead of knocking down the older debt first.
Now, some retail credit cards can be a good deal. For instance, if it's a store you shop at frequently, you can rack up points or get cash back. But it's only a good deal if you pay off your balance every month. And according to the banking industry, about half of all consumers carry a balance. So that would mean not worth it for about half of all consumers who carry that balance.
And this time of year, it's extremely tough because people are buying those presents.
It is. And you've got a big,